And now we have Clarence talking about NFT investment strategies. Hopefully those that incorporate the legal and perfect, even better. Yeah.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. I'm Clarence from Fimbushi Capital. So give you guys a very quick introduction about Fimbushi Capital. We were founded in 2015, and we are actually the first blockchain-focused early-stage venture capital fund based in Asia. And we were an early investor of Ethereum, Definity, Polkadot, Filecoin, Flow, and many other projects. And so in early days, we really focused on innovations in the infrastructure level. And recently, we have shifted our strategy to focus a little bit more on the application layer, such as the projects on the NFT and also the DeFi. So today, the topic of my speech is NFT investment strategy. I think right now, the current NFT market is still at a very early stage, generally speaking. So, and the overall ecosystem lacks steps and is highly concentrated on the PFP tradings. And the most important thing that we believe current NFT ecosystem is missing is really the step before the trading. And we think builders should do the step before the trading from two sides. One is to deliver really decent content, and the other is to build efficient tools. So first, deliver decent contents. Like today in NFT.NYC, from speaker's topic, like you can see blockchain as a, like NFT as a universal set of blockchain standard has been adopted for across more than 20 industries. And in the past few years, this industry has already attracted a lot of like high quality IPs, and now we have some phenomenon dApps such as NBA Top Shot. And I believe in the future, like basically in all of today's speaker topics, like we will have those top leading verticalized platform. And one crucial thing that may determine the volume of your platform is definitely the quality of your content. And so let's take a few common NFT categories as examples. Like we think the best marketplace for players to buy gaming props is always in these well-made games themselves. And before buying the digital artworks, there will be the step of curation, because otherwise the buyers don't know what's the story behind the artwork. And so both gaming and curation here are actually the content step before the trading. And we encourage all those vertical platforms should work hard to enrich their content step, because this could benefit users in a more sustainable way in long term. And besides content innovation brought by those strong IPs, we also believe that in blockchain industry, the innovation content brought by the community is also very important, because really think about it, like decentralization is really the spirit of blockchain. And I think everyone still remember the experimental NFT project Loot in last year. And we look forward to seeing more community-driven projects that could bring bottom-up content innovations. And so secondly, build efficient tools. Like we believe that the current NFT industry still needs various tools before trading, such as fully on-chain NFT storage, price oracles, and financialization tools. We think that fully on-chain storage is actually very important, because this is really the fundamental step, because it can bring the ownership of NFTs to the same level as FTs. Like currently, many NFT projects, they only they store their metadata off-chain. Like they only store the link to the metadata on-chain, and some of the projects they are using IPFS or Arweaves. But there are like actually very few NFT projects that they use contract storage that store all the information and data like fully on-chain. Like actually, we think the ownership is really the fundamental step to all others. And it can It's very important. And some example that store the NFT fully on chain are Afterstars, cyber brokers, Loot. And after securing ownership, like we also expect to see more efficient price oracles that could discover the NFT price in a more decentralized way. And also we expect to see more efficient NFT financialization tools, both in lending, borrowing, and fractionalizations. We think like those tools before the NFT transaction could bring the depth of the NFT ecosystem to another level and enrich on-chain user experience. So these are my sharing today. Like we believe in the future, NFT builders should deliver in-depth content and build efficient tools that will eventually enrich the NFT ecosystem by making the step before transaction more attractive for all the users. And there will definitely be a lot of market opportunities and also investment opportunities. And we welcome all the builders who make effort on these, contact us through email contact@分布式.vc. Thank you.
That was awesome. Congrats on the traction as well.
Yeah.